this new AI tool, you can face swap yourself to any image you want, any celebrity image you want, or any image you want to face swap your face to. With this new AI tool, you can do that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can face swap yourself using this free AI tool called Remaker.ai. With Remaker.ai, you can face swap yourself and it's free. You don't need to pay for anything. It's free. So in this video, I'm going to put you through how you can use this new AI tool and face swap yourself for free without paying for any AI software. Now, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you guys how it works.
So to get started, head over to your Google Play or Apple Store, or the description of this video. You are going to see the link to this app. Now, you can download the app. This is the name of the app. Though the app is called Remaker. After you download the app and you install it on your phone, the next thing you are going to do is to click on Open. Now, when you open the app, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, the next thing you are going to do, as you can see on the first here, you see Upload Image Template. Now, the image you want to use. Now, I'll upload, for example, this is the image of Ronaldo. Now, as you can see, this is Ronaldo. Now, this second one, which say upload your face, this is the place I'm going to upload the image of myself. Now, let me click on upload and upload my image of myself. Now, I've uploaded the image of myself. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on swap. Now, as you can see, it has swapped it for me. Now, as you can see, it has successfully swapped it for me. It used my face here. Now, the next thing I can do is to click on download if I want to download this to my phone. Now, I can also go back and try it out again. Now, as you can see, this Ronaldo face, as you can see my face here, I can check another image by clicking on edit and change this image. Right now, let me use this image here and click on swap again. Now, as you can see, it has also swapped it for me. It has changed the face to my own face. So you can try it and try it and try it out. Now, the next thing you are going to do, you can just click on face. Now, as you can see, it also have multiple faces here. When you click on multiple faces, that means you can use multiple faces of different people, multiple faces of different people. So this is how this app works, that you can be using it to do face swapping for yourself for free. Now, let me try another one. Now, this is Wizkid. So this is Wizkid. Now, let me upload one of my image. Now, I've uploaded one of my image. The next thing I'm going to do is just to click on swap face. Now, as you can see, it has successfully swapped the face. I can click on download right now and download it to my phone. So this is how you can do it, and you'll be using this app to swap anybody's face and it works perfectly. So you can be doing this for people and be making money from it. All you just have to do, you collect their pictures and you swap it and you earn money from it.
So you guys have seen how you can face swap yourself using this free AI tool called Remakers. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.